Morning. Good morning. Hi, everyone. Morning, morning. Let's see. Morning. Okay. Do we get a pullback here?
Yes, kind of did one.
Yeah,
Should have known that 60 could hold. I wanted more closer to 57.
I'm on a
Overnight highs, it
short
didn't
now,
happen.
but ES is looking like it wants to go. NQ definitely looking weak.
Yeah.
We'll see. I like this reaction. I think NQ under 200, we could see more downside. Maybe to 125, 130. Nvidia pulling back hard.
Looking for that 120 or sweep. Pull down into that area. Would be interesting. 50-day and VWAP is both at 150.
Okay. I'm gonna start looking some profits here. Getting one more.
Looks like 150 might hold. We'll see what happens here. That is the 50-day and VWAP. VWAP's much lower on ES.
Yeah, it looks like 150. I don't have any significant at 150. I like 130, maybe 125.
Yeah, 150 is just the 50-day
Okay.
and the VWAP are both at 150 on NQ, right?
Okay.
So that's the only reason I would say because they're both lining up together.
Okay.
I'd be careful there.
Okay, so we have
See
Apple
if we
very strong, Nvidia weak. ES holding very good. NQ, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna
yes, as old as 60 was very
yeah, I
nice.
gotta stop out there.
Hey, good morning.
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 I still kind of like it for more downside under 250.
I'm curious about the 200 reclaim.
Mm.
See what we do there. See if it's just temporary, but um,
I like that 225 reaction.
If I get
Ooh,
a sweep of 65 on gold, which is data low, and 65 and 60 being the pivot for the past few days, and 65 the data low, what 10 low or long, sorry, targeting 80.
Yeah, ES crazy strong.
Hmm.
Yes,
60
very,
was
very
really,
strong.
really solid.
Yeah. Solid hold of 760, 755. Pre-market high kind of.
Now pushing up over 200 and possibly holding over 200 is interesting on NQ. To go back for that 265 high. Yes, looks like it wants to go a little more.
Yeah. I like this reaction on NQ, but I don't like how ES is holding. Too good.
A little indecisive here, to be honest. The market, that is. I mean, me as well, but the market, it seems a
Yeah,
little unsure
I think
what
it's
it wants to
because
do right
Apple
now.
is very strong and Nvidia is weak. I do think Nvidia needs to pull back to 192, 191, and that would be a pretty nice possible pullback long opportunity. Apple crazy strong.
Okay.
Okay, let's see how Anki is gonna react to 250, 265.
ES is keeping NQ here. ES starts losing, NQ is gonna
Yeah,
go down quick, I think.
I like those reactions on NQ.
Yeah. There it is. Okay. It's looking like we can get a little lower.
Yep.
Now I'm watching for that 120.
If 175 acts as a reaction point, 175, 189, I'm gonna enter shorts.
Mm,
Because that's the VWAP on QQQ. So if rejects, I like it for more downside. So far, it's trying to hold. Yeah, it's holding.
yeah, and yeah. Is it?
Yeah, no,
I'm still
it's
torn
fighting
here,
there.
everybody. Like
Yeah.
this is still
Uh-huh.
it's a tough spot, right? Like I can see both ways. I still think we can go down and get 120 first.
Mm,
But that doesn't mean we don't go back to 220 to come back down to right. Like we can
yeah.
shop in here for a little while. 160 to 220. That's a lot of movement, right? We're talking 60 points. 60 points is a lot to be chopping. So I don't want to just guess aside right now. Yeah. Mm-hmm. ES gonna make a new high now.
Mm.
It'll break out of 76. Yep. And okay, there it goes. See what happens. Getting back to that 35.40 on NQ and just kind of rejecting back down again.
Mm. Apple is flying. Whoa. What's going on with Apple?
Apple, is that candle legit? That pulled back down to 271 to just absolutely rip. Did it do that for you?
No.
Okay, so TOS just had a weird candle. That happens sometimes. It prints odd candles. That's crazy,
We
crazy.
have
She
data
got a candle
today?
if that was true.
Also at
Yeah,
9:45
we
or
did it
10?
this morning.
Yeah, but
What do we have at 9:45?
okay.
I'll check. Hold on. 10 a.m. is existing home sales. It's not even red folder. It might be nothing.
Okay. Thank
So
you.
I wouldn't sweat it too much. We will have something at 10 a.m. right in 15 minutes, but I don't know if it'll do much. It's orange folder, so Nvidia still's kind of struggling here. What did Nvidia move overnight? Let's see, it closed at what? 86, opened at what did we open at? 96. Oh, so anybody in options got screwed. Because the move was what, 12.7, 12 and a half bucks, something like that. That's rough. God, these 2-minute candles are brutal.
Yeah, ES looks like it wants more upside. NQ, I don't know what it's doing, but it's holding. It's not making new highs, but it's holding. Kind of looks like it's bull flagging.
ES holding over 70 is still very much like upside. A lot of volume was traded at 70. It's just a look like they have more upside with ES. See if we can break out of 240 now on NQ and get moving to that 265. Again, ES is going to have to bring NQ with it.
Okay. Are we gonna break these highs? No.
That was a nice pop there for sure. Really want to see 249, 250 hold for more upside. It's a big spot, I think. Mm-hmm. You don't hold here, that's a little concerning. We're trying. Oh boy.
Yeah, really nice reaction there, but the thing is, like, Apple just keeps going higher. So for
And this is the
me,
spot
there,
right here.
yeah, I cannot short this, especially with
Yeah, it's too.
what ES is doing. It's too risky to go short here on NQ.
ES looks like it wants more.
Yep.
But NQ's got to hold 40. This was the data high. This was multiple rejection points after the data high. I mean, gotta hold 40. Interested to see if what happens here in about 20 seconds. Let's see if ES closes the 5-minute candle over. I want to over the orb high. So what is that? 77? Gotta close over 77. Oof.
Yikes.
Oh, NQ.
Mhm.
NQ. Oh.
Yikes.
Sweep of the overnight high right there.
Yep. And then ES closed below 777 on the 5-minute candle. So we didn't close above the orb, so it's not a trade for me there. We're gonna reclaim 240 now though. So when we pull back to 200 almost to the tick. This is tough action. Still rejecting 240.
Yike. Ugly candlesticks there on NQ. If
Tough to
Apple
read right
pulls
now.
back is when I think NQ is gonna go lower. And Apple has a bunch of resistance between 275 and 277. We'll see how it's gonna react there. Nvidia is trying to turn around, but it needs to break 197, 196, 197 for a real move today.
See if Apple holds 274 and 3/4.
I will be careful with GC where it is right now. It's rejecting the 30-minute trend line plus
Oh, geez.
4110. Yeah. 4110 being the rejection or interested area for sellers since Friday. Now, GC, if GC reclaimed this 2110, we could easily see it a 48 because it have room plus it have a value note in that area. Now, if GC reclaim, which is a bold statement, 4170, we could see 4500 and Josh will be very happy because it will break the downside
Well, I mean,
trend that
4170 is
started.
still a little ways away, but that would be pretty
Yeah.
funny.
Yeah. But yeah, if it reclaims 4110 and or maintain sell above 4121, we have room to 4148. But right now it's rejecting the 30-minute trend line, which is in that zone.
I didn't know gold had popped there. I wasn't watching it. Nice little move.
Yeah, and anyone here watch on fancy levels, 70 is a daily support. I wanted the 65, the sweep of the data low, but 70 hold perfectly.
This ugly price action.
Yeah, it's brutal. This is so hard to trade for me. I don't even. I'm just sitting here like up, down,
Yeah,
up, down,
same.
up, down, left, right. Yeah, this is tough.
Yeah, that's why I said wait until 10 till it can digest all the data.
Mm. Nvidia woke up. So if Nvidia start moving, like it breaks 196, 197, I think we could expect NQ going higher. It keeps having trouble at 250 NQ. 250, 260.
And gold rejecting 4100 again. Doesn't look like Joshua's gonna see 4500 this year.
We still got a month and a half. I mean, you don't know. Anything's possible.
Nah, man.
Although I doubt it. But listen, crazy things can happen.
Nah. Don't
You
give him
only need
hope.
one twit.
Oh, you got to
Don't
give
give
him a
him
little
hope.
hope. Let him hang on by a thread, just a little, just a small amount.
He just need Tori to stay out of the way.
Okay. I'm watching the 300 on NQ.
Yeah, oh, look at that. That's nice.
296, 300. If you use it as support, I'm gonna go long.
Yeah, this is a big spot right here for me. Right at 290. If we get through it, I think 360 is next. And then above that, we probably have, shoot, I mean, we have some room above. If we get over this and get up to 360 and keep pushing, we have
Yeah.
what,
So
460 maybe?
yeah,
Maybe it's
uh-huh.
stop at 400, but I mean,
Mm-hmm.
there's room
Yeah.
above for sure.
We have a little bit of resistance around 386, 388, but yeah, it's pretty much till almost 500, I will say.
Yes, there's a lot of room above
Mm-hmm.
if we can get going for sure. Now you want to see NQ for me hold this 260-ish, right? That's gonna be important. Otherwise, we just swept to 300 and gonna sell off, right? Because we have a little level here at that 290, 300.
Yike.
Yeah. Yep. Uh-huh. That was a
Ooh,
pretty solid rejection there.
yep. I like that reaction.
Hey X, look at gold in the 3 minute. What do you see?
Oh God. All right, hold on.
Do you see an
Gotta go
inverted?
FVG. Let me see, hold on.
Yeah,
I don't use the 3 minute. I gotta go set a custom time frame. Okay. Absolutely. You
yep,
close this 3 minute candle below 93 point, let's say 94. Close it below 94, you were definitely in it. The thing is, right? Let's say we do that. I almost prefer I almost prefer coming back in to 4100 one more time if we close below
yeah,
this.
yeah.
And then I would be really interested.
Sorry,
But
Sasha.
that's just
I know
for
you want,
sure.
Sasha wants like 40, fucking 4,700 already, but
Oh no,
Ac-
I'm not in it,
Actually,
and I'm green.
actually,
nice.
on the two, we're
Mm,
in. Where this is a perfect setup on the 2 minute right now
yeah, yeah.
because we closed below that fair value gap, pushed back into 98, which is the halfway point, and we now push back down. This is actually pretty close to perfect.
And
Yep.
where it is for me is a short. It's rejecting pre-market high and data high, which is 96. That's a short
Yeah,
all day.
yeah. Well, that's what we're saying. Yeah, this is the inverse of the fair value gap, right? Is the short right now, right? The push down, we pushed up, we pushed back down through the gap. We then, once we closed below the gap, we then half capped it, half filled it, and then pushed back down. This is a huge sign for a short. Now, granted, you've missed a little bit of it already because you would have wanted to get in around 97, 96. Um, you're already 7 points down from where you wanted to be in. So you could have missed a little, but this could push back down to is this
Okay,
is this
data
the
it's
data
out.
right
Comes the
here? The
crackhead
data
hour.
low?
Let's
This is the
see.
crackhead hour right here.
Okay.
Is ES gonna reject 6790 or no?
This is too bullish to be looking
Mm,
for rejection.
yeah, I'm not looking for sure, but I'm just aware of the level.
Yeah. It is a good
Yeah.
level too. It is a
Gold looks
perfect
like it
level
can
actually.
slip.
Oh yeah.
We're reacting 300.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Ooh. I was so close to get on that reaction.
Okay, with the apex evals,
You did?
there was a gap. There was a
Yeah.
gap on SPX. It opened up like that 10 o'clock candle pushed up
Mm-hmm.
and put a gap SPX, which is it just came down to close it. So that's why you kind of seen the bounce.
Yeah, the first I like it sometimes taking shorts on the first time we touch a important resistance. Like 300 will
Yeah.
be one of those plays. Just a quick like short with two minis, maybe. Yeah, I
It's a
was
tough.
looking for a
Honestly,
move
this is
down to
tough
260.
day to trade. It's a tough day to trade.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
You want
maybe
like a
the
nice
market
pullback.
needs a little bit of time to digest all the data and earnings, Nvidia earnings.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, gap and go days are my worst days.
Yeah, this shit sucks. I might just wait until later in the afternoon, to be honest, because it's gonna probably be better action, better levels later
Yeah,
compared to now. Like VIX looks like it wants to start pushing up, even though it's on a downtrend. So very iffy. Very iffy going long, and very iffy going short.
whoa, okay.
Man, Project X just froze on me.
That thing never works. Every day you guys have problem with that.
For me, it's
That's
like hit or miss. Now, two platforms.
Ah, look at
It's
that,
alright.
the
It's gonna go away
300
soon.
reaction. Oh my god.
It's gonna go away soon.
Ah, it's gonna pull back to 180?
just drop.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, I was watching gold. I missed this. Thank you. What are we doing? Thank you. Stop.
Below 196. you kind of see a little bit more downside
Yeah,
on NQ.
67.90.
Yes, it's just way too bullish.
Whoa. Okay.
Burn.
Yes, it's back to that 70. What are you gonna do? 300 rejection was absolutely money. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was
Wow.
gonna
Wow. Wow.
get it, and
Wow.
I was like, maybe wait a little bit. Look at this.
Oh,
That was
look at the gold
perfect.
rejection. Also perfect.
Look at that, man. I didn't take that.
Mhm. I didn't get an either. I
Oh,
don't
wow.
like this action, but that gold is exactly how you'd want it, right? That was perfectly set up.
How do you want it? Do-do-do-do.
Nasty reaction there.
Damn, NQ's 15-minute opening handle was a true doji. Crazy. Open and close, same price.
Yep. That it was. We're back to 200, which is the midline of our orb, 15-minute orb. On NQ. Yes, now I'm interested. ES losing 70 here is big. Let's see if it just did
Get
a quick
200
sweep or not.
downside.
Are we gonna go for the gap below? Mm,
I mean, here's the problem. Where we are now, now I'm not getting in. Can't get in short. Now you're chasing. We're essentially $110, 110 points off the high, off that kind of area. So I want to get in now, but this is an interesting spot. Again, 200, we have to stay below 200, but it's interesting. ES is finally showing some weakness.
Why did that pullback happen though? What pulled back? Was it Apple?
Uh, Apple
Let's find
and
out.
Nvidia. Also, SPY was a very strong resistance, and QQQ too.
Yeah.
Yeah, like NQ's 280 to 300.
If it's a true bullish day, I expect this to be bought back up. If not, forget it.
Hmm. If we start bouncing here, I don't like it because it's definitely a very small rangy day. Yep.
Yep, there goes. If it's a true bullish day, I expect this to be bought back up. But
200.
I'd love for like a double bottom, maybe put in something that move 1, 2, 3, like that whole 5-minute move down is pretty aggressive.
I want it down towards that 120. I don't know what data was. Even a 150 wouldn't have been terrible.
you guys seeing everybody coming out with like news on new content or new what do you call it, prop accounts after Top Step hinted at making changes.
I saw.
What do you mean, like new
Oh,
companies or
oh, yeah,
or
no,
other
like
companies coming out with
MFF.
other accounts? Yeah.
MFFU is talking about doing some stuff. Like this is what happens, right? One company says they're going to drastically change what they do with, even doing it or not. A big company, not nothing like Alpha or one of these smaller ones, right? You say
Yeah.
you're gonna make these big changes, and then all of a sudden, everybody else is trying to beat you to the punch,
Yeah.
right? That's what happens. Front and Next was getting some ground. They had a Rapid account, which allowed 1 day pass, and then out of the blue, MFFU is like, we have a Rapid now that you can take one day payouts, right? Like this is how this works, right? Like they're just all trying to copy each other and be, the reason you spend your money. It's fine. I mean, I like the competition. It's good for us, right, as the consumer, but
Yes.
uh, you see it all the time. I'm curious if we get down anymore. I don't know. It's a tough spot, everybody. Like I don't love really anything in this area here.
Kind of like it for a quick bounce play here on NQ. It's holding. 180 keeps holding. But I thinking like I don't know if I want to trade this.
I think the end goal, I'm bullish, and I think price could end up to 361 at least. But just trying to find a setup is in part.
It's challenging right now.
No rush.
It's messy.
Yeah. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah. Especially when they want to trap
Blinders.
all those people that bought Nvidia earnings.
Mm-hmm.
What criteria do I look for to enter? Price action, like levels, how the candlesticks are forming, and what's the trend of the day, which so far we have no trend. So another thing that I'm looking here is that yes, NQ pulled back to my support level, but how was the candlestick that it pulled back to my support level? It was a bearish engulfing candle. So when you have an engulfing candle, most of the time you have a change of direction. But do I like this 180 hold? Yes.
So you're saying there is a chance.
Huh? Also, when you have like a choppy sideways price action, it's pretty difficult to trade. So it doesn't matter how much I know about technical analysis. Here, days like today, it's more of what we have seen in the past and how difficult or easy it is to trade. So I do like this 180 hold. But seeing this price action, it's telling me like just be careful. There is a chance. Yeah. Nvidia, it's ugly today. Nice, nasty 196 reaction. Let's see if it's gonna lose morning low, which I would love to see Nvidia going a little bit lower to 191, 192. Okay, I like that NQ 180 reaction. Let's see if it is for real, or we're gonna get another fake out bounce there. Yeah, nice bounce there. Anyone got that 180 bounce? That was pretty clean.
I did. It broke back above VWAP. That was just an amazing entry.
Damn.
Okay. All right. Nice little pop there.
Little 900. Let's go. I took it with 10 minis, 10 micros.
Nice. Yeah, that was beautiful. Beautiful bounce.
I'm out. 900 on that move.
Evals or PAs?
PA.
Nice.
Tradeify. I like the hold of the 38.2 on the 15-minute.
Mm.
It was really the close of the previous 15-minute candle that kind of
Oh,
gave
yeah.
me a little confidence.
Yes, I see it.
It's just too choppy to hold anything.
Yep.
It's hard. Hard to hold right now, for sure.
Like, look at how it's reacting now at the top of the orb.
Yes. Yeah. I'm watching the 5 to see if we close over it again. Get back over the orb on the 5-minute, but
Yeah.
I'm looking like it.
I don't like it now. That's why I got out close to the top of the orb. I was like, yep, never mind. Done.
Yeah, we have 12 seconds. I want to see it get over 77, but that's not going to happen. Yes, that is. Nope, just below.
Kaji, I took longs on NQ from 182.25 all the way up to like 25 229.
Man, I haven't take a single trade. I don't like anything.
It's tough right now. I do not like this at all.
And the only possible trade that I can see is if we retest 65 on gold. I don't like ES.
You don't like ES? How dare you talk
Ali, I
about
don't like how the price action is moving. I love ES, but there's a moment where I'm like, I need to stay away.
Yeah, I know. That's true. Just gotta honestly, I think it's more of an afternoon type of day.
Anyway, where ES right now, there's no trade. It's right in the middle of nowhere.
ES rejecting the orb high is interesting though. I'll be honest. Not
So,
like pick a
oh,
trade, but it is interesting.
yeah. The best approach is take it easy today.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
And then tomorrow we have OPEX. Look at that. That's freaking amazing.
What's the latest news with Top Step and the activation thing? Have they said anything?
They
No,
said
not
something's
yet.
coming out around Turkey Day. That's all we know right now. Nothing new.
Okay.
Amped. Same old, same old. Same song and dance.
They sent a teaser yesterday, said keep an eye on socials and YouTube. And it should, I think Patak hinted on Twitter that it should be out by the 25th.
Guess it'll hold there. Thank you pushing to the orb high as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I got long at 213 on evals. Profit target hit.
Oh, I guess it's a bullish day. It got bought up. That's it. To me, where SPX is going to isn't an area of interest for longs. It's going into previous lows that we broke under, and we're testing for the second time.
Yeah, and the 30-minute candles are looking pretty bullish.
Yeah.
Watch to see if we close over 50 in the next 30 seconds on NQ. A couple different things there. Gotta get dancy. Nope. Nope. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Uh-uh. You dogs. Don't want me to trade today, I guess, huh? Wild.
So I guess we're moving between 160 and 300.
Oh man.
I need more coffee. I'll be back.
Smart. I like that idea. As long as you're not going to a certain place we won't talk about.
Sasha, you
Ace,
see
he's
this?
talking to you.
You see what Jackie's
uh-huh.
doing? You see what Jackie's doing?
What's Jackie doing?
Jackie
I don't
has
know.
a side piece. And
She
she
doing?
always, time to time, go and play around.
I mean, I get it. NQ's pretty sweet.
Depends who you ask.
I mean, I just give my opinion. I didn't really ask anybody.
We know that Sasha wants to go back to NQ.
She's thinking about it. She's like,
Hell
damn.
no.
You thinking about it? Come on, you trade gold. Come on, come on.
I mean, gold is nice and clean. And it respect levels.
It respects
It does.
levels. We do blast levels. I'm kidding.
Which means
I
my
know.
TP hit faster.
Or your stop loss. I guess depends on what you're doing.
Right. Either I make money fast or I lose money fast. But
Isn't that what NQ does?
Yep, that's what we do around here.
no, I mean NQ
This kind of
tests.
sounds like you're talking about NQ right now. If I didn't know you said gold.
No, depends on NQ first tests your faith, and then it tests every cell on your body, and then it do whatever it wants.
Wait, but that's the fun.
Mm, I have
It's like
rather
a
get burned in
thrilling.
gold.
She
Yeah.
said we either make money or lose money.
Like yesterday, I lost $700 on the last trade, and I made it right back this morning. Like, but right now, you look at the 5 minutes on NQ. I'm like, how do you trade this?
Yeah.
Getting long on 140, 140, 150. Sorry, and short on the top. No, thank you. Meantime, if I'm scalping, I could just easily go long on 80 or settlement 82. Cover at 96 in and out.
All right, I'll be back. I gotta go to a meeting.
Later, bud.
Later.
I mean, okay. When three back-to-back 2-minute candles are all dojis, can we do something? Anything, please, for the love of God. Okay, here we go. Now it's gonna go. I just called it. I called it for everybody. Nope, it's not. I lied. Yes, it is. Sorry, fearless market is right now. Okay, so now we got about 45 seconds. We closed the 30 and the 15, well, and a 5 and a 2 and a 1, whatever you want to call it. I want to see us close above, above 50, which should be easy to do on NQ now. So I'm going to just slip down. Pre-market high is at what, 64? So see what we do there.
I went short on gold again when it hit that level again.
Look at you.
Sorry, Sasha.
Oh no, you're
gonna-
good.
I don't mean to be cheating. Actually, is it gonna stop me
Okay,
out? Let's
interesting.
go.
Where's your stop?
My stop is right about 40.97, which is a double top on a 2-minute. 40.98 really.
Okay, I'm back.
If we lose 94, we should go back to 80.
Did you hold that 80 that you had yesterday?
Sorry?
The 80 that you had yesterday, did you hold it or did it
Oh
stop you out?
no, it tapped me out, but in Asia, it reclaims it and did what it needed
Send
to
it.
do.
That thing was
Please
aggressive.
send it for me already or what? Come on.
Yeah.
I took a
I'm
long at
sorry, Case?
57. My stop is 40, just FYI. I want to get back
That
to the highs.
that drop yesterday was aggressive through 80.
Yeah.
It went
The
all the
thing
way
is,
down.
I was in the tray. It hold the first time it touched the zone, it hold 90.4, 90.6 to the T. So I got in long. Then 96 to 98 rejected. So we hold a previous day high to the T again. So I added more contracts.
Come on.
And if the
Push.
zone rejected again, so I just exit the trade.
Okay, gotcha. Shorts look good on NQ, in my opinion. Actually,
Don't say
no.
that. Don't say that. You want to say that? What? Just let me
I
get a little
don't like
pop
how
first.
this 30-minute candle closed as a red hammer on a 30, which is
Which is a weird one, right? When you see red
Yeah.
hammers, it's odd for sure.
We
I'm trying to be
could
patient and let
have
this go,
a
but I don't
3-bar
love the
play here
hesitation.
on the 30. 3-bar play, breaking out of the 300, breaking out of the 300 level.
I'm trying to be patient, but I want this just to send now. It's just so there we go. Oh my God, are you gonna miss my TP by 1 point? You're gonna be
You see,
shitting
that's
me.
why we don't trade NQ like that.
It looks like it wants
There we go. Oh, never mind.
more upside here, but we'll see.
Yeah, I'm in long. I'm trying to be patient, let this thing go,
Nice.
but it's just struggling. Not enough juice.
Hey, you sure look good.
What's
Yikes.
happening right now? You saying shorts right now? Sasha, I'm gonna kick you off voice. What's happening right
Oh
now?
no, he's in GC short.
Oh, gold.
No,
Oh,
I
okay.
got
All right.
out. I got out.
So now you just wanted to go down, so it goes against me? Is that what's happening?
No, dude, look at what I sent on the
No,
chat.
I'm kidding. I'm giving Sasha a hard time. Still holding
And
the
I'm
orb
laughing
high,
at
which is 50.
That's an
Damn, that
ugly
short was nice
reaction.
when freaking
Yikes.
gold.
look 80.
Why
Yeah,
is NQ
watching
doing
what? Watch
that?
like 80.
Apple is
I don't know
holding
what
pretty
NQ's
good.
doing. I don't know.
BD is
I
holding.
took partial profits and then stopped the rest. So it's pretty much a break-even trade. Just delightful.
Yeah, I should have stayed in my short on gold.
The other thing too is I'm watching the 5-minute NQ. We're still holding above the orb high. So yeah, we slipped below it to 40, but we're still holding it, which is interesting. Don't think I like this action today.
Jackie,
Watch.
you know that I trade gold all the time, right? I was trading gold like years ago.
He like gold, Jackie. He just have to hate on it.
I was very I mean, oh man, you guys talk a lot of shit. Oh shit. Gold in the past kicked my ass though, because I didn't know how it moved. But now I
I'm
do.
not touching
So
gold after
one
yesterday.
one thing one thing I noticed, it's just I noticed the past 2 weeks. I don't know if this is, don't quote me on it yet. Sediment, New York sediment, on gold. When we like yesterday, we reject sediment all day, and then we just drop later.
Mm.
We look bullish for a minute, and then we just drop hard. Now
Mhm.
today, into now it holded, and it kept bouncing on which was 82. So sediment is being a level or interest where define the trend of the day. I don't know if that makes sense.
You know what we need to do? We need to have like a Zoom session and like so we can all share screens.
That
That would be
works.
interesting.
Yeah. And I'm not talking about like a live session, more like an after hours.
Oh,
Like
yeah, we can do that once a
like a
week.
TA thing, just to
I'm down.
kind of
Yeah.
chat about what we're seeing, what we did, what we saw.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll talk to Dicey, make sure he sets up that free account because I'm not paying for Zoom.
No,
Shit's
no,
expensive.
hell no, hell no.
Me neither.
Yeah,
I'll
you have
talk
to
to
be late
Dicey.
though for me.
And
Yeah,
I
I don't know
must
yours, but
say
I'll
that
probably sleep by the
the
time I can do it.
free Zoom account, I love it because you know when you have like a meeting and people want to talk like for hours, the free one it just closes the Zoom at 40 minutes, so it's perfect.
They all keep talking and they're like, "What happened?"
Yeah, and I'm like, session is done.
Well, this is unfortunate. It swept my stop was 40.
Yeah,
It
that was ugly.
swept me by 1 point, and now okay, fuck, son of a. Okay, wonderful. Yeah, that's great. That's great. All right, love that action. So perfect.
Guys, GC, if I get a sweep of data low, which is 65.7 to 60, I will try loans.
Okay, I like this. If
I like that.
this candle closes like that, holding 300, I like it for more upside.
Yeah.
I would like to see it like a bigger
Yeah.
breakout, at least to touch 325, and then the next one pull back to 300. But
Yes, 6800.
yeah, yes, I think now ES is a little bit of problem here.
If ES goes to 6800, it's gonna be a little heavy up there. That's a pivot area where we just pretty much dumped after hours on Monday.
Yeah, I got another 300 reaction. Do I want to short this? Hmm.
It's the question of the hour. Like, I mean, right now it's just we push up, we push back down, we push up, we push back down. It's kind of playing the area,
Yeah,
It's
and
playing with
the 30
his
minutes looking
emotions.
bullish.
playing with my emotions for sure. Messing with me, pain in the butt.
Yeah, the 30 minutes looking like a 3-bar play.
Meaning more upside?
Yeah, I'll show you. Let me see if I can find a picture of the 3-bar play.
Okay. Gold bouncing off VWAP. Off the WAP. The WAP.
Yeah, there it
Actually,
is.
leave me alone. The WAP. Okay, yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
It's but you would want the candle to be, well, the second candle.
It doesn't need to be perfect, but what I see it's mostly the third candle holding the body of the second one. Do you see
Yeah,
it
it's
there on
like
the
a
30 minute?
rally-based rally. The only thing that I don't like about this 30-minute candle is that it's the wick.
Mm.
I see what you're seeing.
Yeah, but still, I'm gonna wait for the 300 hold.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be the ideal scenario there for you to take it after it breaks above the previous 30-minute candle. And it shows you that it's gonna hold.
Yeah.
Because right now it isn't a clean rally type of
Yeah, so
move.
based on the 3 bar pattern, I will say, okay, I want to enter here with a stop loss at this 30-minute candle low, but how choppy it is, I don't want to try it out. I prefer
Yeah.
to just wait for a strong breakout on the 30-minute time frame, holding the 300, and then I look for a pullback next.
Back, I gotta take care of something at work. Damn it.
Come on, NQ, just break out already. Or die. Just do something. Okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for this breakout here, holding 300. And then we could have a move towards 480, maybe even higher. Go, do it already. It's so slow.
Yeah, it's tough. It's tough.
I want to see like a push, touching 320 at least. In closing strong. I went fancy. Instead of getting coffee, I got tea.
No, no. Sorry. For that
Why?
loud.
X is such a hater. No. Why?
No. Just no.
Ew.
Gross. I don't want that.
You don't like tea?
No, I like tea. I like tea a lot, actually. Just any time for tea. Tea is before bed.
Yeah, that's true.
So
X
the
is like
morning.
the more acid, the better.
Yeah, give me the caffeine.
Traders run on caffeine.
Damn straight we do.
Desi's about to make a killing then. Shit.
Yeah.
Damn straight. I'm waiting. I'm ready.
Oh,
Just
we
gotta say
know.
the words so I can get some.
We know.
Have you guys seen the
We
video of
know.
Graham Stefan about his coffee business? Apparently,
No.
it's a very
No.
tough business because of the tariff and how expensive coffee is to import to
Yeah,
the
I believe it.
US.
Yeah, I believe that.
But I do like that business.
Where are you from originally, ADR?
Venezuela.
Venezuela? Okay.
Mm-hmm. We have great coffee also.
Better than Colombia?
Yeah, but less. I will say it's yeah, better than Colombia, but we're not too known for it.
Yeah.
And we have like 1,000 ways of drinking coffee. But from making the coffee, it's not like adding different like sugars or milks.
What do you? Can you elaborate?
Yeah. So we have. So you guys have like espresso and americano. Pretty much that's it, right? And then you guys add different milks and different
Well,
sugars. So
sure. Yeah,
yeah, we
yeah.
don't do that. That's now kind of a new thing, but we have like different ways of making coffee. Like it can be like way stronger than espresso, or it can be like we call guayoyo the American coffee. Yeah, the americano, and we have like a 5 different ways of making a americano. So it's
How,
very tricky
It's
to order coffee in if you are Venezuelan ordering coffee here, unless you go to a Venezuelan bakery. Like my cousin has a bakery here, and it's a nightmare because where we live, pretty much I will say like 80% of the population is Venezuelan, so we're very picky with our coffee. We don't do Starbucks coffee.
so
I gotta look this
ADR
up then. I'm gonna look it up.
is
X.
that coffee stronger than the cafecito?
No, no. Because cafecito is Cuban, so the thing is like we don't Cubans use too much sugar for their coffee. That's why it's so strong.
Yeah, they
Yes, they
do.
make the coffee like
Yeah.
just the coffee very strong, but it's more because it has a lot of sugar.
Okay.
Sasha, where you from?
DR.
DR? Nice. You guys have some good coffee too,
Yeah, but I don't like it.
yeah? Damn. Okay. Never mind then. I'll take that compliment back. Shit.
I don't like
I'm
it.
gonna look
It's
this up later.
I like strong coffee. I like the it.
So you like
When I
coladita?
go to DR, I like cafecito. When I go to
Mm.
Miami, I drink the cafecito.
So what is a cafecito?
It's like espresso with
Like a
Sugar?
strong
strong
coffee.
coffee. Yeah.
That's the colada that the Cubans make. Like it's coffee mixed with sugar, with a lot of brown sugar, but they mix it before making the coffee.
Yeah, it's part of the brewing process, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like as
Yeah.
they're brewing it,
Yeah.
it's
Mm-hmm.
already being mixed in. Yeah,
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 that's
which
the
is different.
coladita.
I've never had it, but it sounds interesting. I probably have it at some point if I
I
found
don't
someone that
like
made
it
one.
because it's too much sugar, but yeah, people here love it.
Yeah, I don't really do sweetener in my coffee. I do a lot of black coffee.
It weighed
That's why I
every
wrote.
cell of my body.
Yeah, he was making fun of my coffee yesterday. How dare you?
Yeah, your your
Sunk
cream
in his
latte, whatever it was.
groundwater.
I mean, my God, thing was white.
Dude, it was protein, man. It's a protein latte. What do you
You
what do
know.
you
So you do. Here's another option. You just get that Trenta cold brew and get protein cold foam.
Hmm.
that's probably what it
There you
is.
go. Yeah, except they clearly had half of it was your
Listen,
protein
the
cream.
the macros were
Is
fine.
it? Okay, well, that's not bad then.
So that's why I got it. It's like 25 grams of protein in that thing.
Yeah, yeah. I've had their protein cold foam. It's pretty damn good. I like it.
Actually, let me look it up. Hold on a second.
What an, what an interesting stream today, everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting stream.
So besides coffee, will you guys drink energy drink in the morning, or it's too early?
Oh, I would.
You would?
Ah, man, listen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll have caffeine any time of day. Caffeine at midnight. Whatever.
I do
Yeah.
like drinking
Yes.
coffee before going to bed. Like if I eat late, if I have like a late dinner, I love drinking coffee afterwards.
Oh, for sure.
Mhm.
Me too. Absolutely. I have decaf coffee at night quite frequently just because I enjoy coffee that much. And I'm like, "Ah, I really shouldn't have caffeine. Some nights I have caffeine because I don't care, but I'm trying to get
Coffee
away from
does
that.
nothing to
It's
me.
probably not good
Like
to
I
have.
don't wake up when I drink coffee. I just like the taste.
Yeah, I'm pretty similar now. I think I've become numb to all the caffeine. Or at least desensitized, maybe is the right word.
Yeah.
Thing has 29 grams of protein, dude. That coffee.
Yeah, that's quite good.
Yeah.
Are we gonna pull back to
So
180, 160 again?
see, that's why I didn't like that 3 bar play right there,
Mm,
because of the 30-minute wick and how the 30-minute candle closed. Had
yeah.
it closed green, it would have been another push up above the previous candle, the
Mm-hmm.
previous 30-minute candle, the 9:30 candle.
Yeah. Yeah, obviously that
So
doesn't
I
work
see
if you
your
have like a choppy market.
yeah.
And I don't trade based on candlestick patterns or any patterns, to be honest. Like I see them, but I I think I make I take my trades based off price action. Like we could
Yeah, but you
have
still
a
recognize it, which is
perfect
good.
bull flag, but seeing the market how it's moving right now, I wouldn't be like blindly taking a long just because we have a bull flag.
So I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing, which is what you were referring to that played out twice already on NQ. Give me one sec. Those two right there are the 3 bar plays you're looking for.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
You're looking for a smaller body in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the first one is perfect.
Yeah. Second one is 2
Mm-hmm.
because it's smaller body.
Yeah.
The third one, the one that you were trying, isn't because of the size of the body, in my
The
opinion.
wick,
Yeah,
the
the
wick on the
Yeah, the
long
bottom.
wick to
wick.
the
Yeah.
Yeah,
bottom,
Mm-hmm.
the wick to the bottom is gonna get filled.
yeah. And it's the top one.
Yeah, and it's got. I mean, you have a double bottom down there, so there is support down there. So it could go sweep 147 and then push back up because you have support down here. That's the 30-minute EMA.
That close on the 5 minute is very interesting. On NQ. Actually, I think I'm gonna go for 146 now.
It's essentially gonna go find that liquidity down there.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna try to trap shorts, and it's probably gonna bounce from down there. And that's
That
also
putting
the
up.
bottom. That's the bottom of the orb, right? Yeah, that's
Yep.
yeah.
Yep, it is. Bottom of the orb. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little Tory trend line here.
Great trend line. Black Magic, I said that the middle candle, you want it to be a smaller body. You don't want it to be like a big body like the one at 10 o'clock. That creates a rally base
Mhm.
rally, or if you inverse it, it's a drop base drop.
I do think we can get below here. We can go see that 120, which is what I've wanted since freaking 9:30. But Tori's trend line says we hold up right here. I'm just saying. Just saying. Let's see if
Tori's
Tori's
trend
right.
line.
Be careful,
Let's
Eric,
see.
somewhere in the chat.
Eric's lurking.
Yeah, well, see,
I
here's the
want.
thing: is
I
Eric isn't in voice, so he can't see my Tory trend. He can't hear my Tory trend lines, right?
I
He's gonna see
want
it now
that
though
trend
when it's
line to
posted.
request.
Oh shit! I gotta go in 3 minutes, guys. I got a meeting.
Another 180 hold?
Sweep of that trend line would be great. Let it sweep. It's gonna bring you down to the bottom of the orb, where there's gonna be support.
My God, is the trend line gonna hold? Oh, so close.
I'll be back.
Come on, go 65.
Are we holding here again?
Hold
Afraid to
no,
say.
let's grab. I want a liquidity grab real quick,
The
but
next
this is slow.
5 minute closes when? Oh, what do we got? Another 30 seconds. We close this 5 minute red towards the bottom here around 66, 65. I'm probably gonna take a stab. Thinking that we're going to slap through 45 and go all the way to 20. Might be risky.
No,
Our stop would be
Jackie.
180.
I'm sorry, I was. No, I did not get in that short. I am waiting for 65 to 60. To see if I attend loans. Case did attend shorts a 96. But since I caught a juicy move
Yep.
this morning,
Go.
I'm being extra patient.
Go. We'll just hold up there. I mean, I feel like it's 120 or bust now, right? There we go. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Be good now.
Finally, we have something.
Okay. There we go. I'm gonna shoot for 100 with my last con. I took most off there at 120. Keep slipping. Give me some more.
I am long
I'll hold
gold.
it. This. All right. I'll take $200. That's fine. Acceptable. Only with a handful of micros. That's good enough. This can keep going, but 120 can hold. So I got out knowing that 120 might be a holding spot. But if we slip, we can go down to another 100 points. Yikes. So watch and see if that because that's a good sweep of the data lows there, right before the data.
I am long goal. My entries are 68. I was expecting 65 since it was data low to hold, which it did 67 hold. So I went in small. If we reclaim 80, I will add into that. But based on the price action around 80, I will either cover or add to it. If we reclaim VWAP since it's rejecting right now. My stop will be 60. I wanted to see if the zone hold. I am bullish on gold as long as above 40.30.
Oh, I got a meeting, guys. I might be back, depends on how long this meeting goes. If not, I will catch you all tomorrow.
Okay.
If so, I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
I like this ES reaction under 760, 763. Okay, I like this breakdown. If we can get a bounce here and rejection, I'm gonna go short on ES. Most likely with micros. It's not gonna give me the bounce. Or maybe yes. Maybe?
Hey, DR, what are you looking for? 56? Bounce back to 56 to
I posted on
catch a
the
short?
chat. Yeah, a bounce towards 760, maybe 63.
Okay.
What I miss? Oh, market took a crap. Nice.
Yeah, I want a little bit higher, maybe 760.
What are you looking for?
Break and retest to the downside. 760, maybe 63 on ES.
Hmm.
Come on, go a little bit higher. I'm gonna start adding here.
Dang, who choked?
Yeah.
Me, I'm sorry.
All right.
Yeah, I think I'm getting sick.
Shut it.
If anyone is in the GC long, this is a good area to cover if you scalping, but it could also just be profit taking.
Don't go lower now. Bounce.
Ace, Ace, I got my 65 retest.
Damn, it made it all the way down there.
Hmm.
Jeez.
I will add to the position we reclaim 80.
Wow. Yeah, you're right. It's a nice hold of PDC on gold again.
We move clean.
So now it has liquidity to go find all the way up to 96 if it wants to move up. Damn, I guess my liquidity hunt didn't play out on NQ though. It was a little too strong. But on the flip side, that rally based rally didn't wasn't it was not valid. So
Dang it. I was only able to get 2 micros on ES. I'm looking for a move down to 730, maybe 725 on ES. Okay, keep going lower. What a fake out in the morning.
Yeah, for real. What gave out? Oh, Nvidia gave out.
Nvidia, yep. Beautiful trade. I'm sad that I couldn't buy more contracts, but that was clean.
Sorry, I am out of that gold long. It looks like it's following the market, and I don't want to take a risk.
Gold as of lately has been following the market for some reason.
Yeah, like when ES just give up a rally, it just follow it.
Yeah, it's quite weird. I kind of like this area for a bounce though on ES based on the 15-minute chart.
I like it on NQ.
You just kind of double bottomed there. Maybe a dead cat bounce type of rally, a move. So kind of like in this 15-minute candle has very little volume to the downside compared to the previous one. But the 1 hour has actually I still push down a little bit more.
Yeah. Come on, ES, go lower. Give me 730.
Yeah, 730 is actually a better area. What a sell-off. Jeez.
Yep.
Wow.
67.90 rejected to
I'm
the
out.
T.
Yeah,
That was
it's crazy
beautiful.
because
Yeah, 730. It
remember I
definitely
had
looks like
puts
wants
up
more
there.
downside.
No, whoever's on short need to be aware of 67.08, 67.20. Well, that area could bounce.
Yeah. Yeah, PT hit. I'm out.
Then she called it 30. Yep. That's where we stopped.
NASA just melting away.
Yeah, under 25K. Let's see how it's gonna react to here. 950. 950, 960.
Yeah. Um, 40 to 66 was the zone it bounced Friday. I'm just gonna lock myself out.
Use yesterday high on NQ. And it's an important level for ES. I can see a bounce here. You blew 2 accounts? No, why? Today's was all about patience. Whoa, okay. Nvidia is going for the gap below.
Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm done for today. I like my day, happy with my patience. Uh, my trading is all about taking bait hits and be done. Enjoy my day.
Yeah,
Nice
me too.
session.
I'm done.
Yeah, I'm done. We
Yeah.
could have a nice bounce here, but or maybe a reaction of previously high, but I don't care. I'm done. uh,
Yeah, me too.
pretty good day.
Mm,
I think we all cooked
I might
today.
not be tomorrow.
You're not gonna be? Oh, me neither. Tomorrow's Friday. Friday. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you
Since we
guys.
had data, who
Huh?
knows?
Oh, tomorrow
Since
is
we got data, I
OPEX.
might. Yeah.
Yeah. So I won't be here tomorrow. So I'll see you guys on
Mm.
Monday. Thank you. Bye.
Later. Have a good
You too.